Hey guys, it's me, Sujoy over here. So today I'm just going to talk about how to make $10,000 fast. So I just came across this, amazing course, and you know, with this, the name of this course is, the program is called the System.io. So they do have a free course which will help you to make $10,000 fast. So let me just go through. Let me just walk you through the website over here, the landing page. So how to do an $11,000 launch with System.io. So here's what you're going to learn. So basically, this is a master class. They have video series. I'm also going to be logging in so that you can see what you're going to be getting. So the part one is the exact blueprint for an $11,000 launch. Part two, how you can get 90 recurring customers with a simple funnel step. Part three, how to use System.io to power your entire launch. So without any further ado, let's just go to use a test mail, gmail.com. So, so I'm just logging in right now. Course is entirely free. Um, so you can see that you're going to have video series over here. And so, all right. So the first one, part one, the exact blueprint for an $11,000 launch. If I display it over here. All right. So here you will learn exactly, how you can launch this business in 7 days, and also make $10,000 plus per month. All right, so you have part one where you will have the exact blueprint. Part two, how to get 90 recurring customers with a simple funnel step. Part three, how to use System.io to power your entire launch. So you can even get free. You can even get free lifetime access. You can create a free account with System.io, just putting in your email ID. I already have an account with System.io, and I use it for my online business. So I just wanted to share with you this exciting opportunity. This is an amazing course. I've gone through it, and I highly recommend you check it out. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. So this course will teach you how to make $10,000 fast. So if you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And again, I'm going to be keeping that link down in the description below, so you can just check it out. So with that being said, you guys have a great day. Peace out.